first box is being ticked on the long list to do things. Keep watching and find out how we renovated this room with very little money. Keep watching. Good morning, everyone. It's a horrible day outside today. Perfect for decoration. Just to give you an update of what's going on. This is our snug. We now have done all the necessary electrics, fitted the fireplace, prepped the room, and my job today will be to paint. All the ceilings in the walls are bare. I have removed the wallpaper, and now I need to give a couple of white coats of paint all over, and then we'll be using the color we have chosen for the walls. So I want to show you around. So this is what we have at the moment. So all the walls have been prepped. The stones have been fitted yesterday. The TV bracket, the fireplace that is covered right now because I'm going to paint, like I said. So the prep is pretty much all done, and we're going to paint today. As you can see outside, miserable day, perfect for painting. So that's it really. I'll give an update later on when I have all the painting, or at least the white coat anyway, the white base coat finished. So the first room is done. This is what we call our snug, more of a formal room. So, so you can see the fireplace is now all set up, and the TV and the tiles. So just for people that haven't seen the house tour, we bought this on eBay for £65. We bought the tiles also second hand on Marketplace for £50 we picked up locally. We have painted the walls. I do apologize, I should have shown a video, but we are so busy at the time because we had family coming over and we really needed to get this room done before they came, because this is a sofa bed, and at the moment, because we don't have access to the loft area, we are using this sofa bed as accommodation for family staying over. So it was a bit of a rush, but yes, this is the finished product. So the rug, we bought it on Marketplace as well for £40. We bought a blind on Dunlop Mill Dunlop Mill for £38, and everything else really we already had, we brought from our previous house. So just little details that makes all the difference. Things like this little tray that we have on the coffee table. I actually made this with a slab I found in a job while working with Mr. B. This bit of slate, and I just glued these little handles and made a tray. If you follow me on Instagram, you will see a lot of these little projects I do. Things like this, very unique diffuser. It doesn't need to be Hendrick's gin. You can pick any of your favorite drinks and use them as a diffuser. Things like this little cabinet, we repurposed this cabinet. We have had it for probably 10 years with us. I just changed the knobs to suit the design in this room, and I painted this beautiful color and stripped the top and stained the top. So it's a beautiful unit. If you follow me on Instagram again, you will see things like this that I do all the time. As you can see, the wall, the color on the door has changed. It is a very brave color. It's not to everyone's taste, but we definitely didn't want the brown or reddish mahogany color. So this is the color of all the woodwork throughout the house. All the skirting boards and doors, they will be painted in this color. This is another little project I did last year with concrete. I've been trying to do a few pieces in concrete. This is actually the inside of a laundry basket unit from a bathroom. We got rubbish from a job, and I just sprayed it again in copper, and I made the concrete top. As you can see, is really nice. Very easy to do. I may do another video of it and do another one for you guys to see. Pretty solid, quite a heavy piece, but again, just utilizing things that we have in the house. So I hope you like it. I done a little note so I don't forget, because I don't want to lie to anyone. We managed to do all this for £264. So that's the grand total it cost us to do this room. It doesn't need to cost a lot of money to have a nice house. We enjoy doing it. It's not a hard work, it's just great fun, and we really enjoy it. So keep following us. Don't forget, if you like this video, to give us the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and keep watching us as we go through the renovation of this beautiful bungalow. Bye!